Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am sharing information about Pakistan Army Medical Colleges admission with you. Join Pakistan Army as medical cadet in Army Administrated Medical Colleges through 49th MBBS and 27th BDS entry 2024. Rawalpindi, Lahore, Quetta, Karachi, Multan, Kharia and Bahawalpur. Eligibility candidates age 17 to 21 years, gender male. For further details and registration, please visit our website joinpakarmy.gov.pk and nearest Army selection and recruitment centers visit at Rawalpindi, Lahore, Karachi, Peshawar, Quetta, Gilgit, Hyderabad, Multan, Muzaffarabad, Faisalabad, Khuzdar, Punwakal and Turbat. Online registration from 26 June to 21 July 2024. Thanks.